8 outdoor power equipment gifts to surprise your dad with. Looking for a way to surprise your dad with a gift that combines his love for the outdoors and DIY? Outdoor power equipment is the answer. Here are 8 top picks that will make his yard work more enjoyable and efficient. First up, a battery-powered lawnmower for an eco-friendly cut. For those pristine edges, a lawn edger will give his lawn that professionally manicured look. A high-quality hedge trimmer will keep his hedges in shape, while a garden tiller can revolutionize his planting. If he's into more robust yard work, a cordless chainsaw will handle the heavy lifting, from trimming trees to cutting firewood. Post-mowing, a leaf blower will clear the clippings in a flash. And for a spotless outdoor space, a pressure washer will blast away all the stubborn dirt and grime. Lastly, a portable generator will keep his tools running no matter where his outdoor adventures take him. Check out the full range at Suburban Lawn Equipment and find the perfect match for your dad.